Wash his face. Aldion?
We're the bottom. There's the geese.
One more. One more. Okay, go. Go, 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 go. Check the camera.
Camera?
Yeah.
Check out the camera.
Watch your look. Yeah, let's go check the camera.
Check out the camera.
Yeah. Say cheese. Hey, say cheese. That's okay. Ready?
Cheese.
Say cheese. Monkeys. Look at me. Look at Daddy. Atta boy.
Boy, you gonna know it all. You'll think you're 10 feet tall, run like you're bulletproof, and total a car or two. Boy, you're gonna hate this town, wish you could burn it down. That fire in your eyes is 20 counties wide. But boy, you're gonna love 17. And boy, you'll do some stupid things. You're gonna drive and kiss and throw a punch and grow up way too fast. You're gonna drop the ball, hit the wall, and break some hearts like glass. I know you will, 'cause you're a part of me, and a part of you who will always be. A boy, you gonna be so stubborn. You get that from your mother. I already see it now. You weren't built for backing down. Boy, there'll be a small town night. You'll fall for her sky blue eyes. And when she's in your hands, you'll think you're a man and not a boy. She'll make you lose your mind. Boy, she'll be every reason why. You're gonna drive and kiss and throw a punch and grow up way too fast. You're gonna drop the ball, hit the wall, and break some hearts like glass. I know you will, 'cause you're a part of me, and a part of you will always be my boy. It's 3 a.m. and I'd do anything to get you back to sleep. And that face will be the same one in the rear view the day I watch you leave. But boy, you're gonna come back home. You're gonna settle down. But you won't feel the way I'm feeling now. Until you have a boy, he's gonna know it all. he'll think he's 10 feet tall. Run like he's bulletproof and total a car or two. In a purple neon glow in some downtown bar, in a whiskey shot or cigarette smoke ring hard, even down 6th Street in a dead tired sleep. I guess I'm destined to toss and turn. I see you even with my eyes closed, blindfolded in a rain the world ain't seen since Noah. Every breath, every dream, you hear, you're there, you're in between. Every sidewalk crack, every song I hear, looking past Jesus on a dash, in the rear view mirror, every bit of you's burned like a tattoo on my soul. I see you even with my eyes closed. On the dust field lost road.
So have you guys have probably seen in a few of my videos, this is my son, Maverick, my little helper. Today is his 3rd birthday. And just like his daddy, he likes to go outside, he likes to be on 2 wheels. And honestly, it's probably the greatest thing ever is having a son that is interested in the same things that you like as well. So I want to go ahead and make this video for him. He's 3 now, but I hope in a few years he can look back at it, you know, and see how much his dad loves him, see how much his dad enjoys spending time with him, and just so that he knows him, his mom, and his sister are the greatest things that have ever happened to me. So I wanted to make this video to show him I love him, and he can always go back and look at it whenever he's feeling down. Anything you want to say?
Chewbacca.
Say, I love you, Daddy.
Little Daddy.
Love you too.
Show me what, Dad. Show me.